Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn field adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you some crochet curtains, free pattern design ideas. These all collections are very useful. This collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet curtains, windows designs. You can see the beauty of these crochet windows and door curtains pattern designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet curtain designs ideas. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our next crochet design, new ideas, crochet window, doors and kitchens curtain designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet doors curtain designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.